imagine that in 10 years when we are sitting here, we have an implant in our brains, and I can immediately feel, because you all will have implants, and we measure your brain waves, and I can immediately tell you how the people react, or I can feel how the people react to your answers. Is it imaginable?
We're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. The New World Order book is going to show you how the world works. It is definitely time to wake up out of your sleep in the times that we're in right now. Plus, guys, we know we're waiting on that next main event towards the end of the year. We had the first quarter event. Like I told you, that would happen. Don't forget, this is Shemitah year. And then also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's definitely time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Do your own research, but going inside of a bear market, you definitely want the cryptos that have real use cases. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And right now we have cryptos flat. We should do decent this weekend. Do not forget we have Davos coming up, the World Economic Forum of 2022. Blockchain, the digital economy, and crypto we know are going to be discussed because we know the World Economic Forum is all about the future, looking forward 5, 10, 15, 20 years ahead. And we know we've heard some wild things come out of the World Economic Forum. Remember, your life is an illusion and TV is your reality. But do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates, we have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC, plus we have the Fed, the $1.98 trillion, like I stated, almost $2 trillion. We know what the Fed has to do. Raise rates, shrink all this liquidity. We know it's going to hit the global markets. And then we're going to have the rise of China. Guys, this is over a 3 to 5 year span. It doesn't happen overnight, but we see the wheels in motion. And when you see the wheels in motion, it's time to get prepared. Yes, where everybody's out there having fun vacationing, you should be in the lab strategizing because you know it's coming. The worst thing you can do is lie to yourself. Because remember, the Crypto Teacher gives you the truth. Nothing but the truth. Yes, the truth hurts, but it sets you free. Now, guys, we have Grayscale. Grayscale's at about $25.5 billion. It's been pumping and dumping right along with stocks and cryptos. Remember, they move lockstep with the Fed. Make sure you're paying attention to the actual allocation. Now, getting over into a little crypto news. We have OpenSea launches Seaport, a marketplace protocol allowing NFT bartering. So instead of using cryptos, you can use other assets. Now we have Coinbase co-founder Fred Ehrsam buys $75 million worth of Coinbase stock. And I think Coinbase dropped all the way down to $40 before getting a little bounce. But we know when the Fed dumps the market, all stocks get hit, but the New World Order stocks rise every single time. Now we have the Biden administration wants crypto exchanges to separate customer and corporate funds. But guys, when it comes to this actual disclosure, it was only about custody funds. And we know Coinbase does not do custody for the regular retail investor. And when you're talking about big money, they're going to have insurance on that money anyway if they have it with Coinbase. If you have hundreds of millions of dollars with Coinbase, you're just not going to just rely on Coinbase. But for the regular retail investor, that's what the SEC and FDIC is for. But they're definitely not doing the job because we know this is all part of the plan. This has been nothing but a big casino. And lastly, we have Justin Sun still thinks algorithmic stable coins are a good idea. Why? Because he knows the future. It's the fourth industrial revolution, where the robots, algorithms, and drones take over the economy, and the sheep go inside the metaverse. And remember, the crypto teacher told you because he knows. When it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, and not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, get home stocks, the Seaport, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know, I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.